Welcome back to my channel. Today's video ay i-share ko ang aking mga pinamiling sleepwear from Shein. Ayan guys, I'm about to sleep na. Kaya lang, naisip ko, eto na. Eto na yung pagkakataon ko para i-share sa kanila yung mga pinamili ko. Ayan. Excited na ako guys kasi hindi ako makatulog pag hindi ko na-share sa inyo yung mga pinamili ko kasi sobrang gaganda talaga. Ayan, so first one is etong suot ko guys. See, look at that. Meron siyang short guys. Look, ganyan siya. Ayan, ganyan siya guys. Ayan, ang ganda niya guys. My God, very comfy siya. Pa-velvet yung ano niya, yung design niya guys. Ang ganyan siya and closer look. Look at that. Ganda. Ayan, so tatlo yung binili kong color. Meron siyang meron siyang yan, this one. Gray and ano to? Parang pa-purple na siya eh. Fuchsia. Purple. Parang ganito. Look at that guys. Ayan, ganyan siya guys. And this. In this color. The same siya. Ayan, garterized. Tapos meron siyang tali. Size small to guys, yung ano ko, yung size ko. Ayan. And the same as this color. Ano siya, gray. O, diba? Ang ganda ng kulay niya guys. Gray. Yay! Ganda! Ayan. And the second one is ang ating same din siya ng color. Ay, same din siya. Same design, different color. So, i-try ko itong isa guys. Follow me! So guys, this is the second outfit. Ayan. Second is sleepwear. Ganyan siya. Ganyan siya sa likod. Look at that. Wow. Ganda niya guys. Very comfy talaga. I bought it too in different color. Ayan, ito naman design. Same design siya eh. Ayan, and different color. Kakaloka. Ang cute niya guys. Oops. Guys! Oh my God! Ang ganda! Silk guys, ang tela niya. Oh, look at that guys. Ganyan siya kahaba. Ang ganda niya. OMG. Look. Ganda niya guys. OMG. Silk talaga siya.
Wow!
Sobrang happy ko sa mga purchase ko sa Shein talaga. Never akong nag-purchase ng Shein na hindi ako masaya. Lagi akong masaya, guys. Oh my, this one is this one. And this. Ayan. So, I'm going to try it also. OMG, guys! The color! It's very beautiful! Look at that! OM!
That's awesome.
I love it, guys! I love it! Charan! Next one is this one. Another shorts. And ayan. Sukat din natin siya, guys. OMG! OMG! Allah! This is all in small sizes, guys. Small sizes. Small lang ako, no? Here it is, guys. Ayan. So, eto naman, comfy siya, pero sobrang igsi nung shorts. So, hindi ko na siya ipapakita, guys. Ganyan lang siya. Oops, 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 oops. Charan! Just like that. Oh my God. Ganarn. Next one is this one, guys. I love it. Ayan, yung prints niya, kisses. Yan, look at that. Ang ganda. And ganyan din siya kaigsi, guys. Ayan, so 5'2" ako, guys. And my size is small. Ayan, so small size itong binili ko na size nito. Small size. Look at that. Oh, ganda, guys. Oh! Ice cream yummy! Ice cream good! Ah, charot! This pajama! Ayan, so meron tayong ganito. Para siyang VS. Victoria's Secret. Ganon. Ayan. So, pajama. And, ayan. Long sleeve siya. I love it. Ayan. So, sukat din natin siya, guys. I'll be back. And, here's the pajama. Ayan. Para siyang, VS. Ayan. Ang cute niya, guys. Very confident siya. Oh, very comfy. Oh, very comfy. Oh my God, I love it. I rate all this pajamas or this sleepwear I bought from Shein. It's 10 over 10. 10 over 10.
Perfect!
I'm so happy, really. It's really good price. The quality, I love it. It's very nice. And very comfy.
Wow!
Oh my God. Meron pa, guys. Hindi pa dyan nagtatapos. Oh my goodness. Ayan. So, bumili ako din nito. Hindi ko alam to kung paano suotin to kasi ang dami niyang tali-tali. Pero, i-try natin ng isa. Ayan. So, I bought it in green color. Ayan. Ganyan yung likod niya. And in pink color. Pink siya. Ayan. So, i-try natin yung green. Asa si pink. Pink color and green. So, i-try natin si pink. Ay, si green pala. Charan! This is the last one, guys. Ayan. So, ganyan siya. And, look at the back, guys. It's so sexy.
Wow!
OMG! Ganyan siya ka-sexy sa likod, guys. Look at that. You can ask the flowers. I sit for hours telling all the bluebirds, the bill and coo-birds, pretty little baby. I'm so in love with you.
Perfect!
Oh my God, I'm so in love with this dress, guys. It's really nice. Look at the back. Ayan, guys. So, that's all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed, guys, watching my sleepwear unboxing. Ayan. So, if you enjoyed this video, guys, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Ayan. So, goodbye and good night. Goodbye and good night. Kasi matutulog na ako, guys. Masyado na akong puyat na puyat. Kaka-vlog. Ayan. So, bye.